First, the mold is screwed to the upper press plate. Secure the mold and tighten the screws. Install the mold, the product that needs to be heated. To turn on the heating switch, adjust the temperature. If the mold is not balanced, adjust the 4 balancing screws. Putting the insulation board, then putting the insulation material. First step on the right foot. Hold position, then step on the left foot. High frequency. If the pressing effect is not strong, adjust the copper modulator under the table and the weld time on the control panel. Product effect is very okay. There is no need to adjust the copper modulator. The product is finished.